Let me be real, honest, and open before I start the series. Day one of building real fitness results is where most people fail before they even start. Let me tell you why. Most people don't know what they really want. They want results, but very few people are honest about what they're actually doing and investing every single day towards those results. Are you really training hard? Or are you going to the gym, showing up and calling it a workout? Are you preparing your food and eating it? Or are you just trying when it's convenient for you in your day-to-day life? Are you really consistent? Because consistency is the key. Or are you disciplined when you feel like it? Which I personally see most people do. I learned in my life, your results don't care about your intentions. They respond to your actions. Because actions in life speak louder than words ever can. It's actions that show the world what you're doing. You know, the Bible says in James 1 verse 22, don't merely listen to the word. Do what it says, and that's it right there. Stop talking about it. Start living it. What you do daily is who you become. So today, be honest with yourself, which is most important. Look in the mirror. Look at your habits. Look at your discipline. Look at your effort. Look at your consistency on a day-to-day basis and ask yourself, am I really doing what it takes to get to my goals and my dreams and my future? Because real results start with real honesty. This is day one. Lock in with your honesty, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day number 2.